Break ID number 4491. 2018 Illusions Football 1-box break. Go. I'm adding one more of these at the today only price. That will be the last one for today. And that's up now. Jim Dio with a free spot. Darnold rookie. Two left in Chronicles baseball. Only 6 left in National Treasures collegiate football. Mayfield rookie insert. Deshaun Watson black parallel to 25. Greg hoping for points. Oh, because he's on the bottom. I get it. Sam Darnold, rookie insert to 149. Russ Wilson to 75. Lamar Jackson, rookie. Lorenzo Carter, auto to 199. Giants, Dominic, R.I. Barkley, rookie. Bowman's best baseball with 4 autos is down to 6. That's 2017. Doris Fountain, 2-color jumbo patch to 50. Colts, Daniel, W.O. Luminance is down to 7. That is $4.25 a spot. Not bad. This guy sells well. Red parallel RPA to 50. Dante Pettis. '49ers. Tad, B.E. Nice card. Short print. Mayfield rookie. Deshaun Watson, blue parallel jersey to 100. Houston. Greg, S.A. Sony Michel, rookie. Last pack. Mike Gesicki to 100. Miami, Brock, TR. All right, so the last one of those for tonight at the tonight only price